You don't need to know nothing. All you need to know is that what you say will happen, and that's it. You deliver on your promises.
Now, did we make your purchase easy to understand?
Yes. Paul, you amazing. I mean, I still to this day call you for questions.
So you'll receive a check for owning solar New Jersey. Is that the real deal?
In the beginning, I was like, oh, I don't know how this gonna work, but listen, I even got my first check.
People want to know why we say that the electric bill gets eliminated and the solar pays for itself.
Because my light bill went from high to low,
Great.
and plus I got a check for 206, which if you know how to use your money, you could take that money to pay the panels instead of using your money.
How was the process for you? Was it?
Thanks to you, the process was really easy. Everything was clear, and that's something I like. I always like people to be honest with me. So you've been really honest.
I never felt alone in this thing, because it's a process. We were just saying.
Yes, absolutely. Do you feel that we kept up with our word, with our promises? We'd be there for you with all the questions you ever have and everything?
Yes, you have. You have.
Would you recommend Walker Power to any of your friends or family?
Definitely, yeah.
Why did you decide to go solar with Walker Power?
When you show up, when you came to my house, knock the door, I see you as your wife, and the way you talk to me, you convince me how important it is to have the panel. You have a good recommendation with my friend. He has a panel too.
Would you recommend Walker Power to other people?
Ooh, I already did. I already did.
At Walker Power, we say when you solar with us, you solar with family. What does that mean to you? Do we show that that's true?
Oh yes.
How so?
Oh yes. I told a couple friends that you're not a seller, you're a friend, you're family. You become to be a family. You the type of guy. You know, many times I call you about the question. Doesn't matter what time I call you, you always available. 6 in the morning, 10 p.m. I remember I called you at 10 p.m. You were sleeping about the price, about the charge they did.
Yep.
And the next day, my money was in my account. So I'm with the PCNG too. You came from your house to PCNG in Elizabeth and trying to fix the situation.
Twice.
Oh yes, twice.
Yes. So overall, you think it was a good experience?
Absolutely. I recommend that 100%.
Thank you very much. Again, this is Henry Sanchez. I'm Paul Walker with Walker Power. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. And check out our monthly specials. WalkerPower.energy/product/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at WalkerPower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.
Please help support our channel by visiting us on Parler at Most Americans and follow, echo, upvote, comment, or by snapping a pic of the QR code. Follow us on Instagram at Paul Walker Power, on Rumble, Walker Power, and YouTube, Walker Power. Please click like, hit subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much.